Hey everyone, today I will show you how to delete junk files on PC. Don't forget subscribe and like before we begin. Alright, let's get started. First, open Start, then type Run, first option, and on the search here, type Fetch. It might ask for administrator permission, click Continue. A new window will open with many files and folders. To select all of them, just click Ctrl A, then Delete. Skip any files that are running in background. Close this window. And the second step, open Run again and type temp. Again, ask for administrator permissions, click Continue, Ctrl A and Delete. Skip any working background files. Now the third step is also open Run again, and this time type %temp %. This will open another different folder. Ctrl A, delete. As you can see here, I'm deleting so many junk files right now. And finally, open Run one last time and type clean mgr. A new window will appear, select the drive you want to clean, and click OK. Then mark all these boxes as shown here. Click OK and give it some time. And here you go, you're done. Your drive has been cleaned. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.